In the next few lectures, we are going to cover the Modify commands in Revit, which you can find in the Modify tab here. These tools are essential for editing and adjusting elements in your projects, making it faster to replicate and modify objects as needed. So in this video, we will dive into the commands copy, move, array, and rotate. Command copy. This command allows me to duplicate one or more elements and place them in different positions. So let's copy this chair and place it at 1 meter to the right. Click on the icon. I can also use the shortcut CO. Select the object, press Enter, and pick up the Move Start point. Let's click exactly in the center, which is this midpoint. Then move to the right and type 1 to place the new object at that distance. Then you can continue placing as many objects as you want and then press Escape to exit the command. You can also copy multiple objects at the same time. You just need to use the help of the button control. OK, similar to copy is the tool Move. The only difference between them is that with Move, I don't copy the original object. The command Array. It multiplies one or several objects the number of times that I want. Click on the icon. Then I'm going to select these 3 chairs with the button Control. Press Enter. Click in the center of one of the chairs, for example the first one, and then move down. Now look at the options bar. Here we can choose if we want a linear or a radial array. Let's keep linear. And then change the number of items to 3. Also, in the section that says Move to, if I choose second, the point where I click will be the second row. So I can click at this point to place the array with the distance 1 meter and then press Escape to exit. Now, the 3 chairs I started with form an array group. If I select one group, I can change the number of array items. For example, if I increase the number to 4, a new row of chairs appears at the bottom. Then, by clicking on Edit Group or double-clicking on the group, I can modify the objects within it. For instance, if I select the chair in the middle and remove it from the group, then click on Finish, and you can see each array group now consists of 2 chairs. Press Ctrl Z to go back. And then there is also an option to ungroup. I can click on it to make each object independent again, or select all the groups, so each element becomes an individual object again that can be edited separately. The Rotate command allows me to rotate elements around a specific base point. Click on the icon. Select the object to rotate. Press Enter. And then this axis indicates the start rotation point. Click to place the 0 degrees here. Then I'm going to rotate it to the angle that it's indicating here. And look that for a 45 or 90 degree angles, the pointer usually snaps easier when you get closer to those angles.